Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you must be enjoying at your home with your parents. Must be safe. Very good. Now, today I am going to teach you maths. We will study from NCERT book, class 2, subject maths. Chapter 1 is what is long, what is round. In this chapter, we are going to differentiate between what is long, what is round. Means I will tell you the things, what is long things and what are the round things. How you can differentiate between these two things. Now, I have mentioned syllabus also, class 2 syllabus. Some of the parents they do not have books, so they can go through this PPT, and I have put text also. Now, can you see these objects? Football, tree, ladder, bat, orange, pencil, eraser, water bottle, and mopper. Yes. Do you find these objects similar? No. These objects are not similar. They are different from each other. Correct. These objects, as you must have seen that all objects, they are not similar in color also, not in shape also. All objects, they are different from each other. Now let's take a look at your book. Now first, guess its name. Now there is Uncle Mikku, who children love their Uncle Mikku. Now there is Uncle जिनका नाम क्या है मिक्कू, और चिल्ड्रन उनको बहुत प्यार करते हैं. जैसे आप भी अपने चाचा या अपने अंकल को प्यार करते हैं, वैसे ही बच्चे भी प्यार करते हैं. ही प्लेज विद देम एवरी डे. अब वो उनके साथ डेली खेलते हैं. टुडे ही हैज़ केप्ट डिफरेंट थिंग्स इन अ बैग. दिस गेम इज गेट्स इट्स नेम. दिस गेम यू कैन ऑल्सो प्ले विद योर पेरेंट्स. नाउ in this game what you have to do is you have to take a bag. I will show you like this, or any kind of bag. Now you have to put few things in this bag. Like I am putting potato, lemon, orange, pencil, brush. Okay, first you have to put things in bag. Now what you have to do is Uncle Mikku puts his hand in the bag. Team A sings a song. Find out with your eyes shut well. Touch it with your hands and tell. Tell us how it feels. We guess its name and win the game. Now, Uncle Mikku को क्या करना है? अपनी आइज क्लोज करके उस बैग के अंदर हैंड डालना है, और जो चीज़ उनके हाथ में आएगी उसको फील करके बताना है कि वो उनको किस टाइप की लगती है. Now find out. Now Team A is singing a song, which is find out with your close-eyed shut, touch it with your hand and tell us how it feels. Guess. Now Uncle Mikku, he just put his hand in the bag, and he just felt the thing which comes in his hand. Put it pointed at one end, flat at the other, but round like a pipe. Guess what it is? Now what he is saying, अंकल क्या बोल रहे हैं कि एक साइड से it is like a pipe. जो उन्होंने हाथ में पकड़ी ये चीज़, वो पाइप की तरह है. एक साइड से पॉइंटेड है और दूसरी साइड से राउंड है, और बीच में से फ्लैट भी है वो. ठीक है, अब आपको गेस करना है कि वो कौन सी चीज़ है. नाउ एनीबडी कैन गेस? Yes, it is a pencil. As you can see this, it is like a pipe. Pipe जो आप घर में भी यूज़ करते हैं, गार्डनिंग में आपके पेरेंट्स यूज़ करते होंगे, आप भी करते होंगे. ये पाइप की तरह है, एक साइड से पॉइंटेड है. पॉइंटेड ये यहाँ से पॉइंटेड है जहाँ से आप लिखते हैं, पॉइंटेड साइड से आप लिखते हैं. एंड राउंड फ्रॉम द अनदर. नाउ राउंड का है, दूसरी साइड से राउंड है. करेक्ट. एंड फ्लैट यहाँ से कैसी है, बीच में से कैसी है, फ्लैट है. तो pencil is the correct answer. Now it's the turn of team A to touch. अब turn team A की chance है touch करने की. Now tell us how it feels. We guess its name and win the game. Now a child from team A puts his hand in the bag. Other in team A have to guess. Now अब team A का बच्चा डालेगा उस बैग के अंदर हाथ, और दूसरी टीम को guess करना है. Okay, can you help them? round all around, has no corner. It can roll it in my hand. Guess what it is? Now it is round. राउंड है वो चारों तरफ से और कोई कॉर्नर नहीं है उसके. और कैसी है वो? उसके कोई कॉर्नर नहीं है, राउंड है वो शेप में. तो इट कैन बी मैनी थिंग, कुछ भी हो सकता है वो. इट कैन बी ऑरेंज, इट कैन बी फुटबॉल, इट कैन बी टमाटो. ओके, क्योंकि इनके आप देख लें ऑरेंज में कोई कॉर्नर नहीं है, कहीं कोई भी कॉर्नर नहीं है, राउंड है, बिल्कुल गोल है. ओके, सो then it is the turn of team B to feel and guess, and so the game goes on. Now you play this game in team. Put different things in a bag. A cloth is tied on one child's eyes. She puts her hand in the bag. She touches it and says what it feels like. Here team has to guess the name. Now few things I kept on my table, as you can see: orange, pencil, ruler, lemon, marker, tomato, brush, bottle and a bar of soap. Now you must have observed, do you think all these things are similar? No, correct, it is not similar. Now I am going to tell you the difference between round and long. What is round, what is long? The thing which do not have any corner, जिसके कोई भी कॉर्नर नहीं होते हैं. देखिए, जो बिल्कुल गोल होती है, दिस इज राउंड. एंड लॉन्गर लाइक दिस, इट इज़ अ लॉन्ग, मीन्स जो बड़ी होती है. जैसे ये, इससे क्या है, ऑरेंज और पेंसिल में से विच इज़ राउंड एंड विच इज़ लॉन्गर. एंड ऑरेंज इज राउंड इन शेप एंड पेंसिल इज लॉन्गर. सेम, विच इज़ लॉन्गर, रूलर. यस, एंड विच इज़ राउंड, lemon. Which is round here, tomato. And which is long, marker. Here, now here you have to tell which is long and which is round. Here all the things are long: brush, bottle and a bar of soap. These all things are long. Okay, now you must now you must be able to differentiate the things between which is long, which is round. Now you must be understand that what is long and what is round. Now children, please help me to differentiate long and round object. Now here is tree, orange, water bottle, football and ladder. Now what are the things which is long? Bottle, tree and ladder. And round, football and orange. Kids, you must be wondering that why ma'am is teasing us when we are sitting at home, not able to enjoy the slide which we used to enjoy in our school. Now, no student, I am not here to tease you. I am here to teach you. So this is my next topic: slide and roll. Now I am going to tell you the things which can slide and which can roll. All children are singing, what is long, what is round, look around, look around. Meenu says. Now how you can differentiate the thing which is long and which is round? Now Meenu says, a bottle is long, a cap is round, look around, look around. And the game goes on. Now you play this game in your class. Take turns to name two things. One long, one round. You have to tell one object which is long, one object which is round. Do not repeat things which other have named. What is round, what rolls, what slides. Okay, look at the picture. Some children are rolling and some are sliding things in park. Differentiate sliding and rolling objects. Now I am going to show you few objects: eraser, bat, water bottle, orange, football and pencil. There are some things which can roll and some things which can slide. These are things which both roll and slide. Now again I am going to show you few things which I kept on my table to tell you the things which can slide and which can roll. Now this is a small pack of butter, pencil, orange, spoon, ruler, lemon. You must be aware of this thing. Nowadays it is very essential for us. This is sanitizer, marker, tomato. This is another marker, brush, bottle, potato, bar of soap, and a mobile. Now I am going to show you the things which can slide and which can roll. The things which do not have any corner, it rolls, and the things which is long, it slides. And there are few things which can slide also and which can roll also. Okay, now I am going to show you. This is our slide, as you can see. Now I will show you the things which can slide and which can roll. Now first I will take this orange. See, it rolls. And now I will take this ruler. See, have you noticed? Is it slide the same way as orange does? No, it's not, because it slides like this, because it has a flat surface. ये देखिए फ्लैट है, इसमें कोई भी ऐसे रोल नहीं है. अगर रोल होता है तो ये राउंड होता है तो रोल करता. And orange like this. Now we will see pencil. Pencil also slides. Lemon, roll. Spoon, slide. Sanitizer, slide. Tomato, roll. Marker, roll. This highlighter, slide. Why it slides? Because it has flat surface. ये देखिए बिल्कुल फ्लैट है, राउंड नहीं है. और जो हमारे इससे पहले वाला मार्कर था वो कैसे था? वो राउंड था, इसलिए वो राउंड हुआ, रोल हुआ. सी, ये वाला मार्कर, ये हाइलाइटर स्लाइड हुआ. नेक्स्ट इज अ बार ऑफ सोप. ये देखिए स्लाइड. पोटैटो, रोल. एंड दिस roll, roll. And this brush, slide. And this one also slide, because it is having a flat surface. ये देखिए इसकी flat surface है, इसलिए ये slide हुआ. Now your today's work is you have to make a list. Look at things around you right below. Now you have to make a list of things which can roll, which slide, things which both slide and roll. There are few activities which you can practice at your home. You have to take a sheet, roll it down, put tape on it, and you have to cut it from the upper side. This is your homework. Make a list of long and round objects which you see in your house. Draw and color any two sliding and rolling objects. Look around in your house to make a tower. Now I am going to show you how you can make a tower. Now these are few books which I kept on table. Now see. Now I am going to show you how you can make a tower. You have to pile a book one on another like this. Like this, and slowly you will see that it will become a tower. Like, see, you must have done at your school also, at your home also. See, this is a tower, and you can make this tower of any object, like coin also, books also, boxes also. So try it at your home. Enjoy.